क्या आप भी अपने जीवन के रोजमर्रे की जिंदगी में किसी जहर से भरे बातों से तो नहीं जुड़ते? क्या आपके मिलन जुलन में, सामाजिक मिलन जुलन में भी आपके मुंह से, विचारों से भी क्या यही बातें ऊपर आती हैं? अगर ऐसा है तो आपको इसका निवारण करना चाहिए। आपको इससे ऊपर उठने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए। स्वयं को सुधारे, स्वयं से विकार को नष्ट किए। बातों से विकार का नष्ट करना असंभव है। इसलिए सुधार समाज की, सुधार व्यक्ति का समूही समाज बनता है और समाज ही किसी प्राणी मात्र को कोई रास्ता दिखा सकता है। इसलिए आप सबका फर्ज रहता है कि राज संविधान जो न सिर्फ आपके मन के अनंत विकारों को नाश करेगा, बल्कि आपके अंदर सत्य की स्थापना करने में भी सहायक होगा। इसलिए आप अपने जीवन में उसे डालना चाहिए। इससे सब प्रकार से सुखी से शांति चाहिए। It is a strange phenomenon.
सब ही त्यागा, चरणों में चित है लागा। स्वामी का सखी, राधा स्वामी का सखी, राधा स्वामी का सखी, राधा स्वामी का सखी, राधा स्वामी का सखी। आओ नाम मिल के गाए, राधा स्वामी का सखी। देव कष्ट के नटार, करे नाश अंधकार, करे नाश अंधकार, करत घट में ये उजाड़, करत घट में ये उजाड़। आओ दर्श हम निहारे, राधा स्वामी का सखी। आओ दर्श हम निहारे, राधा स्वामी का सखी। आओ नाम मिल के गाए, राधा स्वामी का सखी। देव मुक्ति नाम सार, करे भव से हम पार, करे भव से हम पार। ले वो नाम का सहार, ले वो नाम का सहार। आओ कर ले हम आधार, राधा स्वामी का सखी। आओ कर ले हम आधार, राधा स्वामी का सखी। आओ नाम मिल के गाए, राधा स्वामी का सखी।
There's nothing like that in the last song.
आप नंबर गुरु चरण गिरा मेरे आई। आप सब आइए।
నిన్ను తీసారా పరిచయం ఆయన తీసుకొచ్చారా
ఇది आप take all the videos complete.
Pardon?
You may take a photo or picture.
Yes, yes.
So let the garlands be here.
Okay.
Only one more time we will request you to put it in now.
Yes, yes. For your photograph.
बच्चे वहाँ आते गए वहाँ बैठ आइए आइए बैठिए बाहर कुछ कितने होते सब
Yes, yes. Yes.
देखो इधर सचिन बुद्धि
Third is you are three or
two daughters and four sons.
గీత కూడా వచ్చింది ఇందాక.
Gita is coming.
ఆ ఇంట్లో చేసుకుంటాం.
I have given her short version.
I see. You're studying.
She is studying. Because of DJ problem.
Higher problems you may not hear. Are you able to hear? No.
నేనే I can't but
Eh?
నేనే I can't hear but
But yes.
Gamita after video. There is so much demand for education here. यहाँ पे इधर आना very correct tutorial institutes are doing tremendous. सुनते हैं कि सब ज्ञान यहाँ से चले गए
What we'll find out later. Right stone.
become Sabri Maharaj has built
Hari Maharaj is he was in Ambala, and from Ambala to no,
अरे बनारस में
Ambala में थोड़ा जगह है।
started one place.
हैं?
Possible we never manifested there.
One place. Why are you interested? Too big. Life will be confined to one place. So that means confining God and oneself is eliminating the that he is in the human form, that is very good. One has to recognize it.
They say we have watching their arrest Mandi गुरु गुरु फिर जो बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक गुरु फिर जहाँ बैठे थे उनका चेला एक्सप्लेन नहीं बैठते
अच्छा ही है।
ऐसा हुआ ऐसा ही कि
ऐसा ही हुआ। It is also a part of respect.
Respect.
Not.
Sabri Maharaj has said, and now we are building a big colony. The satsang will move towards that, and we'll try to. That's what I mean. I read only.
No, you read only what there are many discussions. See, Sahaji Maharaj to say that I pray to Almighty Rasa that there should be a very high flood in Jamuna. Let the Dal be washed. It shall become the peace. You are fed up.
Last visit of the Guru. Happy to see some new faces.
निराशाएं, अतृप्त लालसाओं की एक बोझ इंसान पीछे भी उन युगों में भी उठाते रहे हैं और आज के युग में भी उन सब बातों में कमी नहीं, बढ़ोतरी हुई है। बावजूद इसके कि अनेक सुख सुविधाएं इंसान के बुद्धि ने इंसान के लिए और आप इससे दो चार भी हो रहे हैं। आपको खुद सोचना चाहिए कि क्या आप अपने मृत्यु के अंतिम क्षणों तक इसे ढोकर क्या हासिल करेंगे? क्या आपके मन पर छाया हुआ अंधकार उस समय तक दूर हो जाएगा? इसकी आशा है। अब तक के प्रयास इस दिशा में कोई आसरा या कोई संकेत दे रहे हैं। अगर ऐसा नहीं तो आपको अपने जीवन को सामने रखकर पुनः विचार करना चाहिए कि क्या साध संत फकीरों की जिंदगी उस ऊंचे तस्वीर को जो सुख शांति आनंद की मूर्ति थी वो आपको प्रेरणा दे रही है। पिछले मनीषियों ने इंसान को सुख के लिए संतोष नामक शब्द का इजाद किया था कि यदि इंसान के जीवन में संतोष है तो सुख है। संतोष आत्मा का गुण है और ये मन का गुण नहीं। और क्या आपने किसी इंसान को इस चीज के साथ जुड़ा हुआ देखा? अगर संतोष का कोई झलक दिखाई दिया तो उन महापुरुषों की जिंदगी में कुदरत ने उनको जिन हाल रखा उसमें ही वो आनंद और मगन रहकर, अगर झोपड़ी में रखा तो झोपड़ी में ही आनंद और मगन रहकर जीवों की सेवा की, जीवों की चेतना को उठाने में प्रयत्नशील रहे। परम संत कबीर साहब, गुरु नानक देव और भी साध संत, दादू पलटू जगजीवन साहब इसके उदाहरण हैं। तो इसलिए तो सुख न दुनिया में है, न दुनिया में थी और न दुनिया में मिलेगी। सुख आत्मा का गुण है और इसका बोध आत्मा की ओर मुड़ने में ही होगा। और इसलिए सभी साध संत फकीरों ने कहा है कि अगर आप अपने जीवन में आत्म जागरण के लिए तो कोई शुद्ध और सच्चा नियम अपनाते नहीं हैं तो ये सब चीजें जिनका बोझ आप उठाते रहे हैं वो बदस्तूर आपके सिर पर, आपके हृदय पर छाई रहेंगी और आप की जीवन लीला समाप्त होगी। पुनः आप जन्म लेंगे और पुनः वही दुख की कहानी, कष्ट की कहानी आपके साथ जुड़ी मिलेगी। इसलिए आप सबको चेतना चाहिए। आप मनुष्य हैं, आपके अंदर बुद्धि है, आपका जीवन आपके सामने एक खुली हुई किताब है। उसके पन्नों को अध्ययन करके आप अपने लिए निर्णय लें। अगर निर्णय में ये आता है कि आपको अपने जीवन में अध्यात्म को उचित स्थान देना चाहिए, तो आपको ऐसे तरीके की तलाश होनी चाहिए जो आपके सामान्य जीवन में वो बाधक भी न हो, बल्कि वो सहायक हो गुप्त रूप से, और आप उसको इसी भाग दौड़ की जिंदगी में निभाकर पूर्ण सुख, पूर्ण शांति, पूर्ण सत्य का ज्ञान प्राप्त कर सकें। सात संतों ने एक सामान्य जीवन व्यतीत कर इंसान के सामने एक जीता जागता उदाहरण पेश किया। आपको उससे प्रेरणा ले चाहिए और अपने जीवन में परमार्थ को उचित स्थान देकर उसका पूरा लाभ उठाना चाहिए। ये सबसे नेक सलाह होगी, ये सबसे उत्तम कार्य होगा। इसलिए ये निर्णय आपको ही लेना होगा। Should I go in English also? It's a problem, see, from where I start. Everything what we are having as a load on our heart of unfulfilled desire, all problems, social, economic, political, they also suffered from that. And they had been carrying this load up to the door of death. And again the cycle is going on. It's no doubt, with the advanced intellect, we have been able to eradicate a few of the basic problems like food deficiency and also transport and communication. And we are able to communicate each other and move fastly on this planet. And also we have at least 2 square meals, which our ancestors had not. But that doesn't mean that we are free from. So it is a question that should we carry this load on our heart and mind, generation after generation? And there is no doubt that with the modern situation, there has been additional weight on our heart rather than a diminution. Now it is a pertinent question that whether a escape route should be found out, because you are all intelligent beings. God has endowed you with intellect. You should ask the intellect to help you arrive at some conclusion. And if from the top, if you get any inspiration, then it is a duty to seek from where we can achieve complete freedom from miseries, troubles and misfortunes, and complete on this planet. In whichever the situation the Supreme Father ordained them to live, they lived happily, well contented, without any grudge, and they helped the humanity. They nourished the wounds of the suffering humanity in those days. Therefore, If there is a ray of hope, it is in immolating the lifestyle of the saints. If we follow their footsteps with all zeal and enthusiasm at our command, I am sure individually man will usher in an era of peace, tranquility, happiness unknown to human beings. So, the path of spirituality as enunciated by the saints and seers allows an individual to take legitimate part in his day-to-day activities. It doesn't hinder, but in a way individually, see, it fortifies into that aspect, the secular aspect of his existence, and not only the whole psyche, the whole mind is purged of all the evil desires and tendencies, and there is a glow of spiritual knowledge in him, to the extent that he is able to realize the ultimate truth in this mortal coil. Therefore, I will appeal you to follow from the top and make a resolve that whatever is left of your life should be dedicated to this cause. I am sure, taken right decision in the right way, it will help you a lot in realizing the truth. Anyone who likes to ask any question regarding whatever has been said, or if you have some personal question regarding religion, I will try to answer that. किसी भाई बहन का कोई आध्यात्मिक प्रश्न हो, जो बात समझ में ना आई हो, उसको पूछ सकते हैं, मैं उसको उत्तर देने की कोशिश करूँगा। Yes, yes.
How to improve, acquire and improve the concentration?
Yes, the whole practice of spirituality starts from this. If you will, whatever you have been concentrating externally on books and knowledge and science and such, and there also you must have noticed that it is not constant affair. If there is some disturbance in the house or the family or your service, your concentration vanishes like a smoke in the air, and you find it very difficult to achieve that state of mind. But if you practice spirituality, those external influences which rob you of the quality will be restored. Yes. Smell or something like that. So, mind has created with the help of the spirit, the body. Mind as such is a coarse thing, is a matter, and it can't sustain if there is no support of the spirit. Yes, and so just you have to get it sustained. It's a very, it's like a chemical analysis, two things are together, you have to separate it, and that needs a lot of care. So this is.
So when a problem is there, useful means whether the problem is written or not, you will be diabetic.
Yes, diabetic.
So sometimes at the same moment you feel I have to do it. Same time you feel
Yes,
that I
yes.
did not do it.
This is a state of confusion. Therefore it is said that if you find a master which appeals to you, you should watch him. you should go in his contact and watch him for some time. And there should not be any hurry. You see, watch him. And after watching a pretty long time, if you come to know that no, then adopt it. Because it is not a thing that ke bazaar mein gaya to kar liya. It takes time. But you should not lose contact. Suppose you have had an occasion to see any Maharaj or anything like that. Suppose he goes away, then you should not lose contact. You should keep contact by letters or by writing. Whenever the occasion is, you should go there, stay with him, see the things, and then you come back. There is no harm, there is no hurry in taking any initiation. But that attitude should be there.
That means sometimes it can be established with resistance or telepathy.
Yes, telepathy is a mental phenomena. Those who are taught or those who have relatively less sanskara, they have the capacity to. It is seen that in children, relative body, they measure, and as well as they are mostly useless people from economic point of view. And the demographic, the figure is also going down, and old men will not be reproductive. So there is every chance that in order to survive the German race, the Germany will give incentive to go on killing. There is every chance that the foreigners from all these states of Africa, both in the Mediterranean, Libya, Sudan, other things, they are going as an ordinary worker and they are getting citizenship. So the Germans are feeling that there is encroachment and they are multiplying. Prepare the film or still
Yes, so it's one cassette is already ready, so 3-hour cassette.
Yes.
Then in another one, for 1.5 hours, it is already done.
Can you play it or not?
Yes, sir. But tomorrow morning I'll have that TV and VCR
Tomorrow
broadcast.
morning I will see
Yes, sir.
all recordings.
Yes.
Because Suzu is too tired today.
No, nothing.
No, tomorrow anyway.
Tomorrow. Okay. I think it is 10 o'clock. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, sir. Oh, Mudal,
come on.
Oh.
Taking this.
अच्छा ओके
That is very late. They are moving.
चलो चलो वहीं पर
हाँ
ले
एक बार हाँ
हाँ खाते रहो क्या खा रहे
चपाती
चपाती किधर है
इधर इधर नहीं
चलो बैठो बैठो ये है ना जो खा रहे हैं आप चलिए बैठे तो राधा स्वामी बोल के खाते या वैसे खाते ऐसे अच्छा तो इतना भूख लग रहा है अच्छा ये मन
వండాలని తెచ్చాను అక్కడి నుంచే
नूडल कुछ खा रहा है। अब देखिए वो सही खा रहे हैं नहीं।
స్వీట్ అక్కర్లేదు స్వీట్
क्या है वो? दूध रोटी। अच्छा
అక్కడ బెక్కుతున్నాను ఇది హుజూర్ ముందే తీసేసి నేను एक और इस्ता
बस हो।
ये है दूध रश्मि
देखिए आपका भी आ रहा है
अत्ते నువ్వు అడ్డంగా ఉన్నావు।
Now I come to
आपका पेशेंस को बहुत शुक्रिया। प्रेम छुड़ावाना हार रे सखी प्रेम गुरु का प्रेम छुड़ावाना हार रे सखी प्रेम गुरु का प्रेम
यहाँ देश पराया क्यों भाया, यहाँ देश पराया चरम पे रोया मारणा साई उमर तू रोता आया क्यों आया यह देश पराया क्यों आया यह देश पराया काल निर्मल को नाच न जाया काल
వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు కదా
वो खोजने लगा। उसकी खोज ने दुनिया के अंदर अनेक तत्वों से ज्ञान के अनेक क्षेत्रों से उसे परिचय दिलाया। इस खोज के दौरान उसे अच्छे बुरे सभी प्रकार के तत्वों का ज्ञान हुआ। क्योंकि मनुष्य की बुद्धि मन के अधीन है, इसीलिए उसने उन खोजों का दुरुपयोग किया। कहीं अपने आप को सुरक्षित करने के लिए, कहीं दूसरों पर हावी होने के लिए, विस्तार के लिए, और इस प्रकार से उसकी खोज या उसकी खोज की प्यास एक दानव का, एक नाश का स्वरूप धारण किया। ये सच है कि उन्हीं खोजों में से कुछ खोज मनुष्य के अत्यंत कल्याणकारी भी सिद्ध हुए। उसके जीवन में बहुत से रोग, बहुत सी जो उसके लिए आवश्यक थी, उसमें उन्होंने योगदान दिया। और इस प्रकार से अगर निष्पक्ष होकर ये अध्ययन किया जाए तो भलाई के कार्य सिर्फ कुछ ही प्रतिशत हुए और ज्यादातर तोड़ फोड़ और संहार के कार्य में और वो लगे। और आज का युग का मानव खोज के इस दुनिया के अंदर खोज के इस सिरे पर पहुंचा, आपको निराशा का मुंह देखना पड़ेगा। The quest is an insatiable desire of the mind and intellect, and ever since man appeared on this planet, he has been searching the environment, the surroundings, with inquisitive eyes. And there is no denying that since then, man has been able to obtain so many valuable secrets of nature, but unfortunately, because of the predominance of mind and its ego, he had been using all those researches for destructive purposes, for a dominance, and thereby creating this globe, a globe of misery, a globe of tension, pain, and penury. No denying that few of the researchers have added luster to human life. There have been some researchers which have uplifted the man's social and cultural life to a great extent. But if we analyze in terms of percentage, we can say out of 100 researches, 75 or more have been used for destructive purposes, and only a fraction, say 25 or less, has been used for useful purposes. With advanced technology and advanced system at command, man is roaming, and in fact the globe has become very small. He is trying to obtain detailed knowledge of this Mother Earth, and this has brought a sense of delusion to him, because the energy, the input invested in that is not bringing about the desired results, and therefore the researchers are taking a negative turn. And not only that, it is very premature to say that whatever the spectral results they have obtained will sustain the time. Because we have been seeing that many researchers, with big bang they come in the public, and after very few years they vanish also. That means it is not sustaining. Whereas the life on this planet is getting more strenuous day by day. Tensions are mounting. That the happiness and peace which man has been searching outside will always be elusive, because that is not in the outside. This is inside. Happiness and peace is a phenomenon which man realizes from his mind, from his spirit. And so, this quest outside will be futile. Man went outside in this space, did researches, and found that all the planetary systems, almost all, are devoid of any life, or there is nothing like what he sees on the earth. And that has made him to love this earth much more than what he was loving earlier. And there is a global consciousness that we have to preserve this earth which can sustain life in it with all its varieties. The lifestyle of the saints speaks volumes to us. They in their lifetime realize the ultimate truth, the supreme happiness, supreme bliss and supreme pleasure by adopting simple methods Therefore, it is essential for man to look inward for peace and tranquility. This will not only make his life on this planet happy, but all the secrets of nature, including the death process, will be revealed to him, and he will be able to realize life after death. He will be able to identify the element of spirit in him, which is a particle of the Supreme Being, with all its qualities, the qualities of omniscience. Therefore, I will appeal to all that you should think and pause and see for yourself that the direction which you have adopted in life up till now, did they yield that result which you expected from your life? That means, have you been able to get that peace and happiness, that wisdom which man's life can give to you? Certainly not. Therefore, this time that one should reflect inside and see real truth and happiness inside. I am sure it will add luster to your life. It is not that it is only just imagination, but saint's life, the life of realized souls, speaks ample of it. And therefore, I will request you to take lead from my talk and seek truth within. What about you? Would you like to know something? Have you any question to ask?
Could you say a few words, perhaps, about this Shabbat or spiritual sound?
Yes. This sound is the real thing, that the spirit is nothing but sound. And you will be linked to that sound by internal practice. Yes. So you have to undergo a period of dedicated life and call of truth, and then through the aid of the master, that sound is present. What about you? Would you like to ask any?
Yes. How does one deal with fear?
Yes, fear is because of the predominance of the forces of darkness. And this is directly due to the forces of Saturn, you can say, or Kal, or the time factor. You see, and it directly acts on your mind. And through mind it is projected. Once, and fearlessness is the character of the spirit, which is also there inside you. If that spirit is awakened, you will be a fearless personality.
How does one awaken in spirit?
Yes, that is, you have to learn the technique and adopt in your life properly and under the guidance of true master, who is the right soul, not a pseudo one. He will help you to achieve this. Any more questions? Any more doubts?
Doubts? Oh, there are always doubts.
Yeah.
Doubt is the thing that slows me up sometimes. Doubt is, there are always doubts.
Yes, this is a part and parcel of, because if that is not there, man will not progress. It is a first step to progress. And if there is doubt, you seek clarification and then you get the knowledge. So, in the same fashion, the man has been searching the world as well. All scientific developments emanate from that. There were challenges, and in order to know what is there, how to overcome these two challenges, researchers were going on. And now people are, especially the effects men, are realizing that the yield from the researchers are not that they should have been, because the input which they are putting for researchers are too costly. And now one nation, also the nation, he feels that a certain research project can't be suited rightly by the resources, because there is a resource constraint and tremendous drainage of the resource. And they are doubtful whether with all that amount, all the energy, all the time spent, they will be able to recover back. See, or will it benefit to the mankind whole? Because already you have so much of nuclear weapons that if they are exploded, 10 to 12 will be blown out. So already a lot of money and time and energy resources have been drained out. And now you are thinking of destroying them. So it is a dead waste. And this dead waste has accrued because there was an element of fear. In both camps, you didn't believe in the survival instinct of man. So there was fear that one group may overwhelm you. So you went on. And ultimately when you found that no war can be won, so good success. Of course, credit goes to that Russian giant, that is Mr. Gorbachev, who took this and at what cost. So he will be remembered in the history as a great courageous man. That you drain out your resources, and both camps are feeling the pinch. One has disintegrated and one may survive or may not survive. That is only for the time to say. Yes?
I didn't know about you. I was initiated in the name of the guru with the Radhaswami Satsang and Vyas. But I did not know about you. So
it doesn't matter.
maybe I'll...
So did you find some change or something new here?
No, I hear the same message. Again, the way out is in. The truth is within.
But you need to be helped inside. If the Guru is true, he will help you. If the Guru possesses the sound correct, he must be possessor of the sound, Irada Samye. Then only he can impart. Only rich man can give something to the poor. You have no penny in your pocket, what shall you give to others? Understand that?
Not exactly.
Only a rich man can give something to a poor, because he has money in his pocket. But if there is no money, what shall he give? Nothing. So if a guru possesses the name, he can impart that name or implant that name into others' mouth. So you have to seek a sub-Dhari Guru, a person who is vibrating with this name. Yes?
So how does the disciple know when they have found the right guru? And how
The right Guru will always address the disciple. and always invite the questions or doubts, clarification from one intellectual friend. And if you remain in his company for a long time, say for a week or for months, you will find that your mind, without your own effort, will have the element of vairagya, you see, and also the element of anuraga, that is love for the Almighty and detachment from the worldly desires. So if these changes, you see, occur without your psychology trying to get rid of the worldly attachment, you are able to identify these things, that means you are in the association of a true master. And you see, more you will know him by adopting the practice. And he will help you in realizing the truth as he has done. So this qualities. And of course, many people can be such way of life, but they can't sustain it. So it is necessary that what must be come true for a law, observe carefully that whether these speeches which he gives or direction which he gives are just occasional or it is a constant feature of him. So if he is doing daily this service and so and no subject fixed earlier, see, so if such things are there, you can say the probability is more that he is true master. Rest he will be doing.
How does the master know who is the true disciple?
Master knows everybody. If you will become master, you will know that. He knows everything. It is the prerogative of the master. And how can you know at this level? Understand? Yes. It is rare.